Hello everyone, first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Nazila Nur Alifa from 2BA class. Today I'm going to explain the three sentence element of paragraph. Well, paragraph have three case elements. There are the topic, the main idea, and the last one supporting details. The topic is the general subject of the paragraph, usually a word or short parts like climate change. So let's start with the main idea. The main idea is what the writer wants to say about the topic. Is usually a full sentence that appears the beginning. Supporting details explain or give example to help the reader understand and believe the main idea such as facts, statistics, or experience. These elements are important because they make the paragraph clear, easy to understand, and more interesting to read. Dahil